maybe you feel comfortable with. So as long as you stay within your comfort zone, the recovery is quite nice. And I enjoy being home with my kids, my wife. They were excited to have me home, and they're very excited for me to come here and have the apparatus removed and complete the procedure. So
I understand it's quite good for you to recover at home. And the question is that the bandaging, did you do it by yourself at home?
Yes.
Everyday bandaging?
Yes, every day you have to clean the areas where the apparatus is connected with the rods. And I did, actually my wife, she helped me the first 4 or 5 days with cleaning my apparatus. And then after that I just did it myself. It was really easy, and I just was real conscientious about it. I mean, you want to keep the area clean and bandaged properly, so I did that, and my legs where the apparatus was connected looked really nice, and it's easy and it heals really nice.
Okay, when you start walking, yes, and go outside somewhere, you probably use the long pants.
Yes.
To hide the apparatus. So how would be able for you, so nobody can see the apparatus on your legs? I mean.
That's correct, Pavel. I used pants that I had chosen, just my baggier pants with room for the apparatus, and the pants I chose, or the ones I like to wear, were sweatpants style, and then a khaki loose pants that hid my apparatus quite nicely. Most people didn't know unless I told them, and you know, I would walk and I couldn't even see them myself. When you sit down, there's a little bit of extra tension in your pants, so when you sit down they can be noticeable a bit, but what I would do is just kind of pull my pants up a little bit to ease the tension created by the extra space needed for the apparatus, and that worked really nice. But all in all, the apparatus didn't create any discomfort or cause me any issue with people noticing or commenting on it. So I just recommend the long pants that are a little baggy for men and women, because you need that extra space. It's helpful.
I understand. Okay, thank you very much for your sharing your experience for your recovery at home, and your experience looking at the apparatus removal, because it's also important for people to know from a person who have had the apparatus removal done about do it with or without anesthesia, because it's an important moment. Yes, and what I right now ask you is just to show the people how you're walking.
Sure.
So please just.
You bet. Put my shoes on here. And, you know, this is the day after apparatus removal, and I can walk quite nice, and feels really good. I can probably walk a little too fast for the camera.
Wait a second, that's okay? That is fine. Yeah, just go, that's good.
But I feel really comfortable walking. It's really nice to have the apparatus removed, but in actuality, the apparatus, by the time you go home, you really can't feel it. It doesn't weigh anything. The titanium is very lightweight, and to have the apparatus removed is just liberating, because, you know, as far as putting on your pants and whatnot. But all in all, by the time you come here for apparatus removal, you can't feel the apparatus, and it's it was very comforting knowing that the removal was not painful, and the overall experience here was wonderful. And you know, I'm from the U.S., and I would recommend this clinic to anybody in Dr.Veklich's services, because I've been treated very well, and it was very easy to get to the Ukraine, and Pavel, the manager, and the staff do a wonderful job in accommodating people who don't speak Ukraine language. And so you know, I'm proof that it's a comfortable, easy place to come have this. And I say easy because my whole life I dreamed of having nice, beautiful, straight legs, and to actually fulfill that dream, and here today with the apparatus room, I feel like it's definitely fulfilled, is that anyone who wants to have this procedure, this is a great place to have the procedure done. I'm very happy with everything that's occurred, and I want to say that the aesthetics of the legs, the appearance of your legs is incredible with this technology and with Dr. Veklich's skills and expertise. So I couldn't be more happy, and I want to let people know that others that I've talked to have come here and had the procedure, and we all have had very similar experiences with comfort, the quality of care here in the Ukraine, and the personnel, and Dr. Veklich's skill and techniques are top-notch. So I hope you see the proof and feel good about your decision.
Thank you very much, Kendall, for your interview.
You bet.
It's very helpful to the other people who comes for the procedure.
Well, I'm glad to help, and I hope it helps. Because
And we wish you to go successfully reach home.
I'm looking forward to it.
And don't forget about the 2 months. You should avoid running, jumping, high weight lifting.
Okay.
Yes, and after that you can do any sports without any limitations at all.
Well, I feel great, and I appreciate that. I know as this past 3 months has gone by so fast, the next 2 months will go by just as fast, and I'm looking forward to these beautiful legs and getting activities and getting strong.
Okay, so we'll keep in contact.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you for your interview also.